Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create a custom Shopify page templates. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to create Shopify custom page templates, first you need to create a page for yourself. Head over to your online themes and sales channel. Then you need to head over to your pages. Once you are onto your pages section, there you will be able to see that we have this option of add a page, and using this you can introduce a new page. Let's just say your page is added. You can add your title, content, you have your different templates on the right side, and you can choose from these. Then you're gonna head over to your online store, and now you can see we have a couple of templates available in here, but we are not going to use that. We're going to customize our own. So click on customize and you're going to modify that particular page that you just added. Let's just say it was products page, and you're going to simply modify that particular page and it will be customized according to your liking. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.